Hi guys, it's Joe here from Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this lovely Kawasaki Ninja 650. So this one is a 2022 on a 22 plate. It is a slightly newer shape with a full LED lights, and you also get a full colour TFT display now. It is the tourer version as well, so you get the two little box Kawasaki luggage there, and you get a taller screen as well. This one's been fitted with some Oxford heated grips. It's got a tail tidy on there. Being the tourer, you do get the genuine Kawasaki engine protection as well. It's got an aftermarket seat cowl, but it does come with the seat and the rear pegs as well. It's a gorgeous bit of kit. They're a fantastic bike. You can ride these on an A2 license as well if they are restricted. And like I said, it is a newer model, the full colour TFT display. If you do want to get it bought, be super quick. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, my name's Nick and thank you for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. Our guys are really fussy. It also comes with a 3-month warranty as well, and you can upgrade that to either a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. It's a really good cover. We also offer finance and PCP, subject to status, so give us a call if you'd like a quote for that. And if you'd like an even more detailed walk around video, getting every single nook and cranny, just give us a call and we're quite happy to do that if you can't get down to the store. That's it, thank you for watching. Get on that phone, give us a ring, get it bought. Cheers.